What's up? File this under do not try at home. Hundo P, do not try at home. For those of you not as cool as me, Hundo P, 100%. Do not try this at home.
Cooking for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The Bachelor's fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
Over 10 years ago, I had a coworker, and he used to tell me crazy stories, one of which was how in college they would cook hot dogs with extension cords. Cut the plug side off of the extension cord, wrap each end onto a fork, jam it into either end of a hot dog, plug it in, electricity, boom, cooks a hot dog. I always wanted to try this, so I built a device. A hot dog killing device. Power goes in. It just runs to a switch. It's just a wall switch, just runs to a switch. That seemed a little unsafe, just having a hot dog like rolling around on the counter with live electricity. So I can turn it off and on, you know, if the fit hits the shan. And then this, we have our live end here. Bzzz. Get the GoPro for you guys. I innovated a little, right? So we have different cooking lengths. We have small, medium, and large. I'm gonna try a couple different things out for you today. Maybe some Vienna sausages, a hot dog, and then maybe like a Polish sausage or bratwurst. Number one, first, standard hot dog. Oscar Mayer Wiener. Regular old hot dog. I got my sausage races hat on. Nothing plugged in yet. Important. Don't plug it in while you're touching the wires. So we're gonna go to the hot dog setting here. So I'm wrapping this on either post for the hot dog setting. Do not try this at home. Also shout out to confirm that this was actually a thing. I did some research on YouTube, and I'm gonna try and link the video in the description below. But there I found a girl who did a science project on this exact thing, and that also helped me figure this out and was the inspiration. So I want to give credit where credit is due. Hot dog on the prongs. That's actually, she is where I got the nail idea from. The way I understand this works is hot dogs are mostly water. Water conducts electricity. We got a negative and a positive on the other side. Current wants to flow from one to the other. Current is heat. It heats the hot dog up from the inside. So what we're going to do now is plug this guy in. Off. Make sure it's off. Off. Okay. And here we go. Hot dog cooking time. Okay, there's some juices coming out the sides. I don't know if that's because I'm squeezing it or... Nope. Too close, I don't know. Hot dog is plumping. It smells like a hot dog. It smells like a cooked hot dog at this... Whoa! False sack. Okay, we got... Okay, I don't know how I'm going to let this go. But... That was... Okay. I am in... It's sweating. We're getting some hot dog sweat. It's pretty... It feels pretty done. I think for safety reasons, we're shutting it down. It feels like a cooked hot dog at this point. Off the switch. Off at the cord. Hot dog removal time. Hot dog eating time. It's a cooked hot dog. Something I didn't anticipate. The end here, the electricity obviously is not flowing out that way. So that was cold actually, the electricity going between these 2 points. Heated up the inside of the hot dog. Official hot dog taste tester. Little hot dog. He's not having it, I'm having it. I'll try something else, maybe that's warm. Sorry bud, better luck next time. Okay, we're back. We are on the small setting for Vienna sausages. I used to love these when I was a kid. Beef, pork, and chicken. Oh, it's beef and pork in chicken broth. All the good meats. All the good meats. Woohoo! I'm gonna leave this one on a little bit longer and see if we can get any. See what we get. Okay. Meh. Let's kill it. Alright. Sausage eating time. It's just warm. It does have that mixed meat goodness. Alright, we're back. Obviously the big dog in the house. Oh my god, I feel the current. It's like tingly. It's like da 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 da. Obviously do not ever do this at home. I'm getting resistance from the meat, so it's obviously not the full current. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I feel like on their video. Oh, okay, we got some bubbles. Bubbles! And nothing else. Alright, maybe I over-engineered, and the simple solution is the best solution, which is often the case. So I'm going back to the original plans from my coworker, and essentially, basically what I saw on the science project video. We bypassed the switch. The only thing keeping this from being a live hot dog is this cord. We're going right into the nails on either end of the original Oscar Mayer Wiener here, and these bottom nails are just for support. So we're going to try it this way. See what happens. I think what we learned today is this is a very unsafe, very ineffective way at cooking hot dogs. Yeah, I mean it's no warmer than, okay, aside from jumpy little scary moments, it's no warmer than like at the gas station. We made a very unsafe gas station hot dog. Like, subscribe, so I can make more stupid videos for you. Share. Right now we're trying to get to 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers means that I can customize my YouTube URL and better share this channel for you so that we can continue to do stupid stuff in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Have a good and safe day where you don't do anything stupid.